Have you ever wondered about the future of food security and the role of technology in it? As we navigate the 21st century, we're grappling with a growing population, unpredictable climate changes, and escalating environmental degradation. Each of these factors poses a significant threat to our food supply, making the quest for sustainable solutions more critical than ever. The stakes are high, and the clock is ticking. The question is, can technology offer a solution to these pressing issues? Enter a team of tenacious researchers with a groundbreaking discovery. This story unfolds in the labs of the University of Antwerp and the Polytechnic University of Catalonia, where scientists have been working on a revolutionary project. Their mission: to use lasers to create fertilizer from the air. Currently, most fertilizers are produced using the Haber-Bosch process, a method that requires high heat and pressure and results in a significant amount of CO2 emissions. Not only is this process expensive and damaging to the environment, it also uses up 5% of worldwide gas reserves annually. But these researchers have found an alternative. By using lasers to zap the air, they create plasma, which can break nitrogen bonds and form nitrate. Water droplets then react with this nitrate to produce ammonia, the key ingredient in fertilizer. This discovery could revolutionize agriculture and secure our food supply. The potential of this technology is vast, but it's not without its challenges. Imagine the transformative impact on major crops like rice, wheat, and corn, feeding billions globally. Yet we must consider the implications on different soil and climate conditions and the effect on the ecosystem and biodiversity. How will it be regulated and accepted? The road ahead is filled with questions, but one thing is certain: this technology holds immense potential for our food security.